Sun finally came out today and the weather has broke and all the pollinators have showed up. One of the nicest things about black-eyed Susan is it attracts a tremendous variety of pollinators, from sweat bees to bumblebees to honeybees to butterflies to who knows what. They're here. They're beautiful. Got room. Definitely think about planting a patch of these guys in a corner somewhere. Make a big difference for your local wildlife. Thought I'd give you a couple minutes of eye candy before I shut the video off.